Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? Saving money, working hard, paying your bills, but somehow you're broke again at the end of the month. You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same cycle every month. It's exhausting, frustrating, and feels like you're running on a treadmill that never stops. We were told the path to success was simple: go to school, get a good job, buy a house, and life will be secure. But reality feels so different now. Inflation eats away your paycheck. Housing feels out of reach, and debt follows you like a shadow. It's no wonder so many feel like the rules don't work anymore. Here's the harsh truth: the system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you working, paying, and surviving just enough to keep going. Meanwhile, the wealthy quietly play a completely different game. If you feel stuck or trapped, it's not because you're lazy or bad with money. It's because nobody ever taught you the rules wealthy people use every day. They know secrets about money that most people will never hear in school. Right now, over 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That's not just a number. It's millions of families stressed out, losing sleep, and feeling crushed under the weight of bills and credit card debt. This is a reality most people are living in silence. And here's the scary part: if nothing changes, the gap between rich and poor will only grow wider. The game is already being played whether you choose to play or not, and the longer you wait, the harder it gets to catch up. But the good news? You can still learn the rules and change your story. What if I told you the rich don't work harder than you? They just know 7 secrets that you've never been told. Hey everyone, I'm Sophia, and this is Sophia Cash, the channel dedicated to helping you glow up financially. If you're ready to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm here to share insights so you can make smarter money moves. In this video, I'll break down 7 financial secrets the rich never admit, why they work, and how you can start applying them in your life. No complicated jargon, just simple, actionable steps. Grab a notebook, take notes, and let's dive in. Most people work tirelessly for a paycheck, but wealthy people play a completely different game. They understand that relying only on a salary keeps you trapped. The true path to freedom is building assets that earn for you. Rich people don't just save, they invest. They put money into stocks, real estate, or businesses that make them richer while they sleep. That's how their wealth multiplies over time. In fact, 90% of millionaires own real estate. Even one small rental property could bring you $500 to $1,000 every month. That's money coming in whether you work or not. Imagine waking up and knowing your bills are already paid because your assets are working for you. That's true financial freedom, money flowing in, even on vacation. Your wealth becomes your safety net. Working harder for a paycheck won't make you rich if your money isn't growing. The rich don't just trade time for money, they make money work for them. That's a mindset shift everyone needs. Be careful though. Not everything you buy is an asset. A shiny new car or fancy gadget might feel like an investment, but it's draining your wealth. Focus on things that put money into your pocket, not take it out. Secret number 2 is all about debt, but not the way most people think about it. For many, debt feels like a heavy chain holding them back. But for the wealthy, it's actually a powerful tool to move forward. Most Americans drown in high-interest credit card debt, often paying over 20% interest. That's like filling a bucket with holes. No matter how hard you work, it keeps draining away. This kind of debt traps you instead of helping you grow. Wealthy people see debt differently. They borrow at low interest rates, maybe 3 to 5%, and use that money to buy things that make them more money. Instead of being trapped, they're playing offense. Imagine using the bank's money to build wealth instead of sinking into debt. Your credit cards could actually work for rewards, not punishment. That's how rich people flip the game. Here's the truth: poor people borrow to consume, rich people borrow to multiply. That single mindset shift changes everything. Debt isn't good or bad, it's about how you use it. Think of debt like fire. In the wrong hands, it burns everything down. But in the right hands, it can warm your entire home. Here's the truth: money grows faster when you start early. Every year you wait is like leaving free money on the table. Wealthy people know this and act quickly. Imagine investing just $500 a month at age 25 and ending up with over $1 million by retirement. Start 10 years later and you'll have half that. Time is your greatest ally. The wealthy don't wait for the perfect moment. They start, adjust, and grow along the way. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates wealth. Think of compounding like a snowball rolling down a hill. The earlier you start pushing, the bigger and faster it grows. Waiting too long means your snowball never reaches full size. Most people delay investing because they're scared or waiting for the right time. That hesitation costs years of growth. Wealthy people understand that time is the most powerful leverage. The sooner you act, the sooner you buy freedom. Start now, and every decision compounds, giving you the choice to retire early, travel, or simply enjoy life with less stress. The wealthy know something most people forget. Time is the most valuable thing you'll ever have. They guard it fiercely and design their lives to protect it. Instead of filling their homes with more stuff, they fill their days with freedom. Most of us spend hours on chores, errands, and endless work. Wealthy people outsource tasks, hire help, and use tools so they can focus on what matters. They spend money to buy back their own time. Think about this. Americans spend over 100 hours a year just commuting to work. That's weeks of life lost in traffic. Wealthy people invest in choices that reclaim that time. From remote work to private travel, they'd rather spend on experiences and status symbols, memories with family, adventures around the world, and time well spent. Those are the real signs of wealth. Life is richer when your calendar is free, not just your closet. The trap most people fall into is buying things that lose value fast: cars, gadgets, luxury items that fade. Wealthy people flip that script by investing in tools that save time or grow money. Time is like oxygen, invisible but priceless. You don't notice it slipping away until you're gasping for more. The wealthiest people live like every hour matters because it truly does. Rich people don't just think about this week or even this year. They think in decades. They make decisions today with a clear picture of where they want to be 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. This vision keeps them calm when others panic. They know that wealth is a long game, not a quick win. While others chase fast money, they focus on building assets that grow steadily. This mindset gives them stability through market ups and downs. The stock market has returned around 10% a year for decades, but only for those who stay patient. Time does the heavy lifting if you let your money grow. It's like a slow, steady magic trick. Imagine your future, a life where work is optional, and you live on your terms. That dream is built with years of consistency, not lucky breaks. The wealthy plan for freedom, not just survival. Most people fall for get-rich-quick schemes and end up broke. The rich stay focused and ignore the noise. Their secret is patience, not speed. Building wealth is like gardening. Plant seeds, water them, and give them time. The forest you grow will be worth the wait. That's the quiet power of thinking in decades. Wealthy people know that success isn't just about what you know. It's about who you know. They see networking as a powerful tool, not a chore. They build connections with intention, always seeking mutual growth. Opportunities often come from relationships, not job boards. Rich people know that every conversation can lead to a door opening. That's why they invest time in people, not just tasks. Studies show that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. That means most opportunities are invisible to those who don't build strong relationships. Networking is like your secret advantage. Most people avoid networking because it feels awkward or fake. But wealthy people treat it like planting seeds. They know it takes time to grow. Each relationship is an investment in the future. Staying in the same small circle limits your growth. Wealthy people step outside their comfort zones and meet people from different worlds. That's how they unlock opportunities others can't see. Think of your network like Wi-Fi. The stronger the signal, the more you can access. Build relationships with purpose, and you'll see doors open effortlessly. That's how wealth grows through people. The wealthy know that saving alone won't make you rich. They focus on building systems that create money, not just hoarding it. It's about making your money work harder than you do. Most millionaires have at least 7 different income streams. That means their future doesn't depend on a single paycheck. This gives them freedom and security even during tough times. Imagine losing your job but still having enough income from investments to cover your lifestyle. That's the kind of power a fence brings. It's like building a safety net while you climb higher. The poor often focus only on cutting costs, while the rich spend time learning how to grow revenue. You can't save your way to wealth. You must create it. Relying only on strict budgeting is like playing defense all game long. You'll never win if you don't take shots. Investing and creating is how you score. Wealth is a game of both defense and offense, but offense is where dreams are built. Start small. Create income streams and let your money grow while you sleep. That's how true wealth is made. So there you have it, the 7 financial secrets rich people never admit. They focus on assets, leverage debt, act fast, value time, think long-term, network strategically, and play offense. These aren't magic tricks. They're habits you can start today to change your future. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial glow up. Drop a comment. Which secret surprised you the most? Let's start a real conversation in the comments. This is Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Your financial future isn't written yet. Grab the pen and start writing your own wealth story. See you in the next video.